That's binary. What a bugger. Oh well. Didn't get the desired result, but anyway, it's bugger.
You want to tell us about Amir? What?
Henry?
What should we say about Amir? Who wants to know about Amir? What should we say? Congratulations on your next act.
Oh, thank you.
I'm interested. I went to the market and I bought potato, and you had Tony, a big fat hen, and this.
It's right, Toby.
Tom have been best friends for 10 years. He's been my day one and he's been there through the thick and thin.
It's what's really
This is going to be my last trade. This one's taken nearly 4 hours to turn up, and I just thought I'd give you an insight to what I do, how I trade. If you've got any questions, just let me know. And yeah. Got a minute to go. I'll let this run out. As you can see, I record my wins and my losses. It's been an average sort of day. This is during the Asian session, which I don't normally do. I normally trade the London, but I'm going out tonight. The London session is in my evening, so I can't do that tonight. I've had quite a few people contact me wanting me to do more videos. Before anyone asked me, I purposely have not showed you what I've done on this because I've showed you 1,000 times before, and it's about time people started watching the videos all the way through and working some stuff out for themselves, to be honest. I had to do it, and I think it's about time. You go back through my videos, and you work some stuff out for yourself, because if I keep on just showing you over and over again, people don't seem to take any notice, is what I've found. You need to have a little bit of skin in the game, as they say. So you put the effort in, you figure out what I'm doing, and you can go and do it. It's quite easy, it's quite simple, and it can be done. So that's all I'm going to do. I'll leave it there, and take care. I'll see you next time.